If you're over 50 and you've ever thought, yoga looks nice, but I don't have an hour, I'm not flexible, and my body just doesn't move like it used to, then stay with me for the next few minutes, because what I'm about to share might completely change how you feel about your body. What if I told you that just 10 minutes a day, 10, could help you feel steadier on your feet, looser in your joints, calmer in your mind, and stronger where it really matters? Not next year. Not after months of struggle. But starting today. And the best part? These moves are gentle, safe, and made for real people over 50, not 20-year-old yoga models on a beach. Now, let me say this clearly before we go any further. This is not about twisting yourself into a pretzel. This is not about pushing through pain. And this is definitely not about trying to look impressive. This is about waking up your body every day, reminding it how to move, breathe, and support you as you age. Because aging well isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right things consistently. I've worked with people in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and beyond, and I hear the same things over and over. I feel stiff when I wake up. My balance isn't what it used to be. My back feels tight. I get tired easily. And the truth is, none of that means your body is broken. It means your body is asking for movement that respects where you are now. So imagine this. You wake up in the morning. Instead of feeling like your joints are rusted hinges, you feel warm. Instead of feeling rushed and tense, you feel calm. Instead of feeling unsure on your feet, you feel grounded. That's what this 10-minute daily yoga routine is designed to do. As we go through this, I want you to picture yourself doing these moves at home. In your living room. In your bedroom. Maybe even holding onto a chair or the wall. You don't need fancy clothes. You don't need a mat if you don't have one. And you don't need to be flexible. All you need is a willingness to give your body 10 minutes of attention. Let's start by talking about why yoga after 50 is different, and why that's a good thing. When you're younger, your body can get away with a lot. Tight muscles, poor posture, shallow breathing. But as we age, those little things add up. Yoga helps reverse that by gently improving mobility, strengthening the muscles that protect your joints, improving balance to prevent falls, and calming the nervous system so your body can actually heal and recover. The first move I want you to imagine is something incredibly simple, but incredibly powerful. It starts with how you breathe. Most adults breathe shallowly into their chest without realizing it. Over time, this keeps the body tense and tired. So the first thing we do is slow everything down. You sit comfortably or stand tall, and you simply breathe in through your nose, letting your belly expand, then breathe out slowly through your mouth. With every exhale, you imagine releasing tension from your shoulders, your jaw, your lower back. This kind of breathing alone can lower stress, reduce blood pressure, and improve focus. And it sets the tone for everything that follows. From there, we gently wake up the spine. The spine is your body's central support system. If it's stiff, everything feels harder. So you begin with slow, controlled movements, rounding the back slightly as you exhale, then gently arching as you inhale. No forcing. No pushing. Just smooth, easy motion. People are often shocked at how good this feels, even after just a few repetitions. It's like oiling the joints of the spine. Next, we move into a pose that many seniors tell me they fall in love with because it relieves back tension almost instantly. You place your hands on your thighs or a chair, hinge slightly forward, and let your head and neck relax. This gentle forward fold decompresses the spine, stretches the hamstrings, and calms the nervous system. And here's the key: your knees stay soft, and you only go as far as is comfortable. Yoga is not about how deep you go. It's about how present you are. Now let's talk about balance, because this is one of the biggest concerns after 50. Falls are not just accidents. They're often a sign that the small stabilizing muscles have gone dormant. One of the most effective yoga moves for balance involves standing tall and shifting your weight slowly from one foot to the other. You might lift one foot just an inch off the ground. You can hold onto a wall or chair. And as simple as this looks, your body is working hard behind the scenes, waking up muscles in the feet, ankles, hips, and core. This is how you rebuild confidence in your body. As you continue, we bring in a gentle leg strengthening move that supports the knees and hips. You step one foot back slightly, keeping both feet grounded, and bend the front knee just a little. This strengthens the thighs and glutes without putting stress on the joints. Strong legs mean easier stairs, safer walking, and more independence. And when you pair this with slow breathing, you're also training your nervous system to stay calm under effort. Now I want to pause for a moment, because this is where a lot of people have an important realization. They notice that they're not just stretching. They're not just exercising. They're reconnecting with their body. They're noticing where they hold tension. They're noticing their breath. And this awareness is one of the most powerful anti-aging tools there is. Next, we gently open the hips. Tight hips are incredibly common as we age, especially if you spend a lot of time sitting. When hips are tight, the lower back often takes the strain. A simple seated or standing hip opening move, where you slowly rotate the knee outward or place one ankle lightly on the opposite shin, can make a world of difference. Again, no forcing. Just slow, mindful movement. Many people feel emotional release here too, because hips are a common place where stress is stored. From there, we bring attention to the upper body. Rounded shoulders and a forward head posture are extremely common over 50, and they can affect breathing, neck pain, and even digestion. A gentle chest opening pose, where you draw the shoulders back and down while lifting the chest slightly, helps reverse this. You might clasp your hands behind your back or simply place them on your hips. As you open the chest, you breathe deeply, creating space where there used to be tension. Now we come to a move that many seniors find surprisingly empowering. It's a gentle twisting motion. Twists are fantastic for spinal mobility, digestion, and keeping the back healthy. You sit or stand tall and slowly rotate your torso to one side, keeping your hips stable. You breathe. You hold for a moment, then you switch sides. Twists remind your spine that it's meant to move in all directions, not just forward and backward. As we move toward the end of this short routine, we focus on something that's often overlooked but incredibly important: relaxation. Too many people think exercise has to be hard to be effective. But the body actually repairs and strengthens itself during moments of rest. So you finish by lying down or sitting comfortably, closing your eyes, and breathing slowly. You scan your body from head to toe, noticing any areas of tension and letting them soften. This final minute helps reset the nervous system, improve sleep, and leave you feeling refreshed instead of drained. Now here's the magic of this routine. When you do these 7 yoga moves every day, even just 10 minutes, you're not just working on flexibility or strength. You're building a daily habit of self-care. You're telling your body, I'm paying attention to you. And over time, that adds up to better posture, better balance, less pain, and more energy. I want you to remember this. Consistency beats intensity, especially after 50. You don't need to do more. You need to do enough, often. 10 minutes every day is far more powerful than an hour once a week. And let me reassure you of something else. If some days your body feels stiff, that's okay. If some days you move less, that's okay. Yoga meets you where you are. The goal is not perfection. The goal is presence. Imagine yourself 6 months from now. You get out of bed more easily. You feel steadier when you walk. You feel calmer under stress. You trust your body again. That future is built one small daily practice at a time. So if you're watching this right now, I encourage you, don't overthink it. Don't wait for the perfect time. Today, give your body 10 minutes. Tomorrow, do it again. And let those minutes add up. If this video helped you see exercise differently, if it made you feel hopeful instead of overwhelmed, then you're exactly who this channel is for. We're here to move smarter, age stronger, and feel better in our bodies every single day. Take a deep breath with me right now. In through the nose, slow and easy, and out through the mouth. That's it. You've already started. And I'll see you in the next video.